So we said when we factor, the very first thing we do is count terms. 1, 2, 3. And when we have 3, 1, 2, 3, we draw an X. We multiply to something, and we add to something. But in this problem, the multiply is 16. Where did that come from? That is 2 times 8. Now we didn't do that on the other ones because what was sitting here, it was a 1. 1 times 8 is still 8, so we didn't do it. But now we have a 2 sitting there. So 2 times 8 is 16, and we add to 17. So I need it to multiply to 16, but add to 17. Well, that's easy. That's 1 in 16, isn't it? That's not bad. But here's where it has to change. Before, we just wrote x plus 1 and x plus 16, but that won't work. If you think about it, let me go over here. If I wrote x plus 1 and x plus 16, and then I multiplied them back, is it going to give me 2x squared? No. So something's really wrong right here, isn't it? So what we're going to do instead is we're going to take 2x squared, and instead of 17, we're going to put these two new numbers that we got. Plus 1x plus 16x, and then we're going to put plus 8. We changed it from 3 terms to 4 terms. Well, how do you do 4 terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. You put them in a box. All right. 2x squared, 1x, 16x, 8. I'm looking right here to find out what number I can divide both of those by. Well, I can't really divide them by anything except 1. I've got 2 x's right here. I've got 1 over here. So the maximum I can pull out is 1, isn't it? So let's start working backwards. Something times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. I need 2 x's. I have 1 right here, so I need another one, don't I? Let's look right here. Something times 1 is still 1. That's 1. Do I need any x's? Because I need x to the 1, but I already have x to the 1, so I don't need anything. Now, what has to go right here? Something times this times 2 is 16. Something times 2 is 16. That's 8, isn't it? There are no negatives, so I'm going to put a plus. And I'm going to check my last box. Is 1 times 8, 8? Yes. So I did it correctly. My factors are 2x plus 1 and 1x plus 8. You do not have to put the 1 if you do not want. I use it all the time because I think it helps our head.